Hi friends. In this video, we are going to see how we can add Disqus comments section to our blog. We are starting by creating new account on Disqus website. Go to Google and search for Disqus. Click on this first link. If you already have an account, skip this step and log in instead. If you don't have an account on Disqus, just click Get Started button to create an account. It is very easy to make an account on this website. Just enter name, email, and password in this form. And then, click Sign Up button. Next, choose I want to install Disqus on my site option. On this page, add your unique website name here. Choose your website category here. And then, click Create Site button. Once you reach on this page, just click Install Disqus. From this page, all compatible platforms where Disqus can be integrated, displayed here. For us, we will click here to get universal code. Friends, this is the code we are going to use on our blog project. The last thing we have to do is to verify our email from Disqus for preventing stuck comments. Just click on this Verify button. Wonderful, email verified now. So, it's time to use our code to our post page. Comment will be displayed here under related posts. Copy whole code. And paste here. Very important thing we have to do, we have to uncomment this function. And add the value of current post URL and ID. Let's test. As you can see, Disqus comments has been added to our page. Let's comment on this post. As you can see, comment has been displayed on this post. When we refresh the page, that comment still displayed. Let's open this post. As you can see, this post has no comment. Visitor can now comment on this post. You can use emoji to react on post. As you can see, even if page refreshed, that reaction still displayed on page. Friends, this is how you can add Disqus comment section on website. Thanks for watching this video.